A mistrial declared in Keith Sullivan's Stand Your Ground case in DeKalb County after jurors became helplessly deadlocked is where we start. I'm Kenesha Dees. Fox 54's Caleb Aguayo was at the courthouse in Fort Payne to find out just why they didn't close the case today. And Caleb, what's the latest?
A mistrial was declared around noon today here in the DeKalb County Stand Your Ground trial. A jury told the judge here at the county courthouse that they were hopelessly deadlocked. And the district attorney says they're going to retry Sullivan later this year.
I guess it's a small victory. We had hoped for total acquittal, but a mistrial is better than a wrongful conviction. So we're happy as we can be.
That's the reaction from the friends and family of Keith Sullivan, who say getting him back today is better than watching him go to prison. Roger King, who was a student of Sullivan, believes the defendant from Grove Oak took reasonable actions 2 years ago, acting in self-defense.
He did not empty the magazine as he could have done. He stopped firing when Mr. Bagwell stopped moving. He told him, "Don't get up." The man tried to get up and he stopped it, because if he got up, he was afraid that he was going to be killed.
Jurors, however, couldn't come to agreement, failing to reach a unanimous verdict. The mistrial declaration followed the court's dismissal earlier in the day of defense claims of a conflict of interest involving the jury foreman. Circuit Judge Jonathan Bell decided to adjourn this afternoon when it became clear that jurors were at an impasse, Sullivan's defense team standing by their position.
It was not unreasonable for Keith Sullivan to view Greg Bagwell as a threat in that moment. It would have been unreasonable for him not to have.
What you're finding out is when you're faced with that extreme circumstances in this state, in this county, when you react reasonably, you're going to get prosecuted. And that is remarkably unfair, and it is sad.
The case will be retried in October. Judge Bell set it for October 27th, but that's due to change if anyone has conflicts in their schedule. In Fort Payne, I'm Caleb Aguayo, Fox 54 News.
Until the case is retried later in the year, Sullivan is out of jail and spending these months with his family and friends. He said to Fox 54, quote, "I was just trying to defend my family."